Okay guys, today I will be talking about 3 reasons why you will always be broke. Take a look at this graph. Tell me, what do you see? How many times have you seen this pattern before? You see a guy, he gets his paycheck, he pays his bills, he goes out, have a good night with his friends, he buys some clothes, and however, always somehow at the end of the month or even a week before the end of the month, he is broke. He has no money. He starves. He eats instant noodles for a week. And then he waits for a week, and then he gets his paycheck, and the cycle continues. Right? This is reason number 1. This is the most common reason people will tell you, is that basically they have a spending problem. Their spending problem will be due to a couple of factors. 1, well, they spend too much. 2, they racked up debt by spending too much and they're paying off interest. Or 3, they have no financial literacy and they have no idea what to do with their finances. So they spend it, essentially, because they don't know what to do with it. Now, take a good look at this graph again and tell me, what do you see? Have I indicated anywhere that how much a broke person makes in this graph? No. You can make 6 figures or even 7 figures and still have this problem. This is because of something called income creep. The more you make, the more you spend, essentially. Now, for reason number 2, as some of you guys may be wondering, I am already frugal. I spend as little as possible. I make my own food at home. I budget. Why am I still poor? The answer is simple for the reason number 2. This is because you have an income problem. Or even and more specifically, you have a skill set problem. Do you have a skill that will bring your business or your employers lots of revenue? Take a good look at yourself and tell me, what skills do you possess that is highly valued in society? By valued, I mean, what skills do you have that people are willing to pay their money for? As you may know, people in society vote with their wallets. Do you generate more revenue for your business or your employer's business? Or are you highly replaceable? If you are one of the two, you don't generate a lot of revenue, and if you are highly replaceable, if you don't have a skill that is in demand, you will have this problem. The third reason is the hardest one to fix. The third reason is a mindset problem. While growing up, you were taught how to act in certain ways, how to behave, and what to do in what situation. You were influenced by your peers, your teacher, however, the biggest one is your parents. If you have listened to everything your parents have told you to do, you will only become the same level as where they are or what they accomplish, or one step higher. This is because if they had the ability or mindset to do something greater, they would have achieved it in their lifetime. There must be something that is holding them back from achieving this goal. Now, you need to ask yourself these few questions. Number 1, how much money do they make? Number 2, how do they spend their money and how do they manage their money? Number 3 is, how do they build their wealth? There's a clear distinction between earning a high income and being wealthy. And number 4 is, how do they achieve this? What kind of assets do they invest in? Because your mindset will influence every single decision you make in life, whether big or small, and it will eventually all add up. Now click subscribe, and in the future videos, I will dissect each of these problems and address them one by one. So stay tuned to my future videos and hope you enjoyed this video.